Hey everybody, welcome to the Your Life Blueprint Sound Vibrations. I'm Gandharva. Please share these videos. Share the vibrations. Get them out into the world. Let people know about the different feelings of the days and thus the different feelings inside of them. Every day is a different day, a different feeling, a different vibration. Today is the day of Tuesday. The vibration is the warrior. The warrior. Does the warrior war all the time? Where are you at war? Where are you at war? Are you at war? Are you at war with yourself? Are you at war with your body? Are you at war with your mind? Are you at war with your beliefs? Well, Tuesday is not a day about being at war. It's about being a warrior. Someone who prepares, who saves up their energy, who doesn't dissipate it needlessly over little things, little arguments, little skirmishes. The warrior saves the energy for the big battle, for when you need it. Don't waste your energy, friends. Don't dissipate it, because then it won't be there when you need it, when you want it, when you should have it. Save it up. Rest, practice, train. What are you training? What are you practicing? Discipline, discipline. Disciplining yourself. Harnessing the power of the warrior, the power of Tuesday. Harness that power. Don't just let it trickle away. Harness it. Use it for good. Don't use it for evil or negative things or to control people. Use it for good. Change the world with it. You're a warrior, you can do it. Don't give up on that. Be a warrior. Let your body, your mind be a tool, a positive weapon, right? Positive force, a positive missile when other people need it, or when you need it to change something, to get something done, get something accomplished. Body, let your mind be your tool in the world. Stand strong, be strong, Feel sharp. Yeah. Sharp as a razor. Sharp as a knife. Feel that sharpness. You have an edge to you. You have an edge. Tuesday has an edge. Tuesday has an edge. An edge. An edge. Have an edge. Keep that edge sharp. But don't be cutting people's heads off with it. Unless you really need to. Unless it's absolutely necessary. Put a guard on that blade though most of the time. Don't want to cut yourself to pieces. Put a guard on that blade. And then know when to use it. You know when you need to shave, right? Then take the guard off the blade, shave, and then do it. That's it. Put it back. You've accomplished the goal. So today, Tuesday, be a warrior. Keep a watch on your power. Never give up. Keep on going. Persevere.